Hey guys, welcome back to BitsBeTrippin. This is your host Carter. Let's get into this. So this is going to be a real quick one. We're cleaning up rigs. We're trying to get them over to Crypto World for you guys. Hopefully we'll have some stuff over there as early as tomorrow for you guys and get you a website out there. I know Jonas, one of the workers over there right now, are trying to get that website updated and get an inventory of some of the GPUs that we are cleaning up for you guys. And we're going to take you through a couple of those things. But here is a rig right now. You guys remember this bad boy build right here. This is a 14 card 5700 XT build. This is the XFX double dissipation cards, and they've been running here for a little bit. To show you guys what they're doing right now, around 61C, 55.9. This whole rig is about 770 mega hash right now, almost 800 mega hash. A little bit of tweaking, we can get it there, but this right now with the way the configuration is, we have 780 millivolts, and we're right around 2200 watts total system. So this is on the EVGA 1200 watt P2s. So we have a pair of those, and then we have all three. And these are all three, the 1200 watt P2s. Not needing near all that, but having more than enough to where you're only running around 70% max on all of those power supplies, using the B250 Mining Expert motherboard, as you guys can see there. And we got all three of them plugged into their appropriate slots on the B250. This is a pretty legacy build on the 5700s, and you guys can see this thing running. So we get some questions on people buying aftermarket 5700s and, you know, the maintenance and any of that kind of stuff. These actually had pretty decent thermal pads and pretty decent heat dissipation. I'm running about 50% fan on these. Typically these were in the farm and they would have an additional fan on them just to, keep them a little cooler. At 50%, it's enough to keep them around 60C. And since you don't really have to do any kind of updating or, thermal adjustments on it, we do have one other card off to the side from these that we put on the thermal knot on it just to see, and it actually didn't make much of a difference. So it stays around 59 with those same settings. We dropped 2 Celsius on that to give you an idea if you're using something like thermal knot or you're using the thermal grizzly paste on the core. It doesn't drop it all that much. These cards actually were pretty decent on that from the heating and management on that side. But I'll show you guys the settings that we're using, and we'll show you some quick B-roll of this wonderful rig. Decentralization is one of the most important factors in a global cryptocurrency network.
Bitcoin's proof of work functions due to the exceptional security provided by the miners of the network. Today's sponsor is Compass Mining, a company with a customer-focused experience providing a tailored approach to purchasing, hosting, or even an at-home option, allowing anyone the opportunity to participate. If this interests you, head over to compassmining.io.